This is the fun part of Broken Nose. Hey, you get some big hits, lean in a little, or just don't fall out anyway. He'll be at some silliness. Y'all can hop up now. So we gotta go around Ganesh, the elephant rock. Like his namesake, he can help or hinder our progress. Give me 3. If you look to your left, you will see the river is actually mooning us, like I told you. Okay, we're gonna bump this rock kind of head on, so be ready for a jolt. Well, that wasn't how I usually do it, but it'll work. Don't fall out. I didn't think you would, but I wanted to make sure. One more, team. Feel bouncy right here. Okay, stay loose. You're coming down ledge. No big deal though. You are going to feel a bit of a dip on the right though. Give me 3. Go, go, go. There you go. You guys okay up front? That was a nice stall. Right, this is Powerhouse. This is the last hurrah. Now's the best time of the year to come rafting. If you like this channel and you want to support it, you got a couple options. Check out this Venmo QR or check in the description below for the link to Venmo. Or you can come rafting with me and check out this URL for some good tips on how to do it. Love to hear more from you. And here are the people who have made some donations and contributions toward the cause. So, ever wondered how guides live? It's not as glamorous as you might think. But I don't have any central heating and air anywhere I live throughout the year. So while it is primitive, it's pretty close to how I live my frugal lifestyle. It's not easy to make it on sub-poverty wages. So you got to be really frugal and tough if you want to live it up. So here's a little peek at my abode and how well I live here. It's a little cluttered. I got a small toaster oven, refrigerator, microwave. Good old Uncle Samsara to remind me the sources of suffering as a way to avoid them. And my own little mantra. Wealth isn't how much you have, but rather how little you need. So this place is home for the summers. I know it's not too glamorous. But you got to make a few sacrifices. You want to live a good life and tread lightly upon Mother Earth.